Hello, today I'm going to be attempting to pick a US mail padlock. I think it's a 4-lever padlock. There's no key with this. I've received this off the LockPickingLawyer. Thank you, LockPickingLawyer. Because sometimes, like I've said before, I forget to keep saying thank you to the person who sent us the lock. Obviously I've got bad eyesight, so I need a little torch. So the trick is, right, you get one of those. You get them from the dollar store, you get a pack of them. There's like a big lever where you got the US on this there. Down the side there's a big lever hanging down, that is your tension. So you get something under there and push that right round. And just use that to lodge it in. Now that's lodged in, the tension is lodged in. Now, which one is it? That one. Just a home brew I made ages ago and I was waiting for the picks to come. And I couldn't wait, so I'm using this light because obviously I've got bad eyesight. I've picked this open 3 times, but this is take 3 on the camera. I've got camera jinx, so it's playing up. So all I'm going to do is look, just like a pin tumbler, is look for the binders. I haven't worked the sequence out in this yet either, because if I did it would be popped in seconds. So I'm just tapping these little levers here. I'm sure there's 4. That's just the lever dropping. When the lock does open, that pops downwards, it doesn't pop backwards, it pops all the way down. The lever dropped. Lost the lever. That's the lever's dropping back down. Now that's the lever I want. And this one is the trickiest one, the front one, because it's right behind the casing. Looks like getting most of them up. Let's see if I can get this last one here without upsetting the rest. Damn it. Now we go open. Got it open. Thank God for that. There you go, open, picked. Just zoom that out. Oh, that's in. There we go, popped. US mail popped. Hopefully I can show you the lever. There's my thing at this side. That's all opened up. See the lever at the side. I don't know if the camera will pick that up or not. I don't think it will. there's a lever that side. So remember, say the US sign, go down, there's the lever, and you use that to push the lever up, wedge it in place, and then you just use a pick to go in, no key with this lock, and just lift the levers up. But like I say, look, that's open. And then I'll lock it again, watch. I'll lock it again, as you can see, watch. There you go, locked. So there you go, a US Mail little padlock. I think it's a 4 lever picked. And thanks for watching. Bye.